This is question 16 on problem solving from the 2018 BMAT. So we're in a paint factory and we have two different pumps. The fast pump, which delivers paint at 12 litres per minute, then the slow pump, which delivers at 6 litres per minute. And so we have two containers, one large, one small, and one pump is initially used to fill the large, then the other is used to fill the small container. If both containers begin filling at the same time, then when the small container is half full, they are swapped between pumps, and both containers become full at the same time, so therefore how much bigger is the large container than the small container? So what's best to do? Well, why don't we try and visualize all of this on a diagram, because that usually helps us picture it. So if we have our two pumps, the fast and the slow, the fast one being green, slow one being red, then we have our two containers. We're not told which one goes under which pump at first, so let's just assume the large goes under the slow and the small goes under the fast, and see if it still works. So we're told the speed of pumping of each of these. So the fast pump is 12 litres per minute and the slow is 6 litres per minute. So when 1 minute has passed, the large container will have 6 litres and the small container will have 12 litres, because that's the speed of each of the pumps. So to make things simple, we're told that when the small container is half full, they're swapped. So let's assume that's now, after 1 minute. So this is the small container. If we swap them, and we assume this is half fill when it has 12 litres, so they become full at the same time. So how much will the small container have when it's full? So 12 times 2 is 24 litres. And so how much time has passed by this point? So it's now under the slow pump, which goes at 6 litres per minute, and it started at 12, it's now on 24, so it's gained 12 litres. How long will the slow pump take to make 12 litres? That'll be 2 minutes. So 1 plus 2 minutes is 3 minutes has elapsed total. And now how much is going to be in the large pump? Sorry, the large container. So it's been under the fast pump for 2 minutes after starting at 6 litres. So 2 minutes under the fast pump would make 24 litres. So 6 plus 24 would give it 30 litres total. So we know this is the maximum capacity because they both become full at the same time. So if the large pump has 6 litres more than the small pump, then how much bigger is it? So as a percentage, this is 6 over 24 times 100. What is that? Well, 6 over 24 is a quarter. So 0.25 times 100 gives 25% bigger than the small container. So this corresponds to answer A. And if you're wondering what would have happened if we had these in the other way around at the start, it actually works out the exact same. We get different numbers, but we still get 25%. So this is our final answer.